welcome to my channel. So today we're going to be filming a DIY seashell hair accessories. If you guys are interested in any mermaid core content, siren core, or anything ocean related, then subscribe to this channel because you will see a lot of mermaid stuff on here. Alright, so let's begin. First things first, what we're going to need are pearls. I got this really cute one, I think from Shein, I'm not sure, but it has like multiple different sizes. And then you're going to need a bag of seashells, and I got these bags from Michael's. You're also going to need some napkins because glue gets very messy. Then you're going to need E6000 glue. This glue does take around 24 to 48 hours to dry. And then you're going to need some metal barré clips. I did get these ones from Shein. Let's get started with our first DIY. We're going to do something simple. We're going to need this type of metal clamp. It is a smaller one. This, you can either use it this way or this way, but as you can see, it's kind of curved in. Hold on, let me put my napkin down. We're going to take our E6000 glue and glue on. Go ahead and glue this on. I'm just going to hold it, and that is how easy this was. Alright, so this one is our first mermaid core clip. I am gonna let it dry. I don't want to touch it. See how easy that was? Okay, it's gonna get a little bit more intricate once we get into the smaller ones, but I'm starting with the easiest ones first. Okay, so for our next DIY is the same thing. I'm just starting with the big ones first, and then we're going to get more into the intricate one. You're just going to need one of these again, these small ones, and a big like seashell or sea star. The glue on. Oops. Girl. And then you're going to want to hold it down for a sec. I did want to put like a little pearl in the middle. And there we go. This is our second DIY. This one's very easy. Something you Now we're going to move on to the smaller ones, which are the bobby pins. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to take a cardboard box, like a thin piece, and we're going to line up our bobby pins. For our first bobby pin, I'm going to go ahead and use a beautiful, just plain white seashell and pearls. Glue here, just like that. Glue in the inside. And I'm going to take my pearl like that. I'm going to do another one because it's like small. I'm going to do like a smaller size pearl and put it in here as well. Y'all, try this again. Oh my god. I just had to get the hot glue gun because I was just getting annoyed. And I feel like a hot glue gun dries so much quicker. I just got a new bobby pin and I just put it on like that. So much better. I absolutely love it. I do want to add another pearl onto the next bobby pin. And I found this shell on the beach. I thought it was absolutely stunning. We're just going to go ahead and glue in our pearl. I'm going to use the E6000 glue, the largest pearl out of the bunch. Hold it down for a sec. Oh my god. And I'm going to take the back and glue this on. Like, you can do E6000 if you know how to do it, but I don't know how to use that glue yet. Sorry y'all, I love crafting. Like, this is so fun to me, but this is so cute. Now I do have another one in mind. This one is a simple one, but it's cute. I'm going to glue one of these conch shells onto a bobby pin. This one is just a plain one. And then we can just shove the conch shell. So for the last bobby pin, we're going to use another conch shell. This one's more of like a white and brown one. This seashell. Look at how cute. So these are all of the bobby pins. So now we're going to move on to our medium-sized clips. I found these two on the beach. Okay, so we're gonna need another one of these. This one is the same size as the first one. Start with the bigger one. And then I'm just gonna put it to a little slant. Let's grab our pearls. Okay, so another one, we're going to go ahead and get one of these. I did find this rock on the beach. I love how like dirty it is in the front. I feel like the dirtier it is, the prettier. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna glue on the seashell. Hold it down. All right, so now let's glue on the second one. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to the pearls that are on the smaller side, and I'm going to go ahead and just glue pearls everywhere. So we're done with this one. It's actually very unique. Alright, so moving on to the next one, you're gonna need this metal barre that clamps together. So I just took like 3 conch shells and then I took 2 seashells. So we're just gonna start with our middle piece. What cute. And now we're just going to go ahead and take these 2 seashells and glue them right here just so that it can hide the metal part. So this is our last one. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys are interested in more mermaid core coastal living vibes, then subscribe to this channel and comment down below which hair accessory was your favorite. Mine definitely was this one and this one. I liked all of them. This is my least favorite. Stay tuned for videos every Thursday. I'm trying to stay committed even though I'm in school and I work 2 jobs part-time. That's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Mwah.